How to add Outlook Mailbox to your Yahoo Mail app easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail. Now go to the top corner, click here on your icon, and after you click, go down, click on settings. Now click on manage mailboxes right here. Click on this option, click add another mailbox. Now all what you have to do is simple. Swipe down, click on Outlook as you can see, and you will be able to add your Outlook from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you.